4 things I need to apologize for. 1. Sorry I did not have a video out on Wednesday. I thought I would have internet, but apparently I didn't, so I'm genuinely sorry about that. 2. Sorry this video is going up so late today. I did not expect to be gone like I was today. 3. I'm sorry this video is really short and probably not what you're expecting to see. And 4. I'm sorry there are black lines on the sides of this video you're about to see because I did not intend on putting this up here. Okay, now enjoy these hilarious monkeys and birds that you're about to see.
Hey, there's a cat. Hello.
Hello!
Hello.
I love that. Bye!